Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 BM Mazda 3 Neo hatch, stock reference number 4340. This shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 5th month 2016. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims, the left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors have one small dent each. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.